I work at 21 Spaces, which is a multidisciplinary studio based in Dublin. So we design architectural interiors across a range of sectors, such as hospitality, retail, and multi-residential.
And about news you've seen today in Finsa, Erbil, Madrid.
Yeah, so we would typically have used Finsa products for sort of joinery and maybe wall paneling. We weren't so familiar with the sort of the different technologies that they work with and the different systems, such as the door systems and the kind of different window shading systems. So I think that'll be quite useful for us to investigate that further and see how we could implement things like that in our projects.
A lot of surfaces and colors,
Yeah.
but they say that wood will be the material of the future. Not only things, generally speaking.
Yeah, it's so versatile, I guess, and it is a lovely natural product as well. And we always try and work with natural products where we can. They can just provide so much more warmth and texture and personality, I guess, than a lot of the kind of man-made products.
Do you have a keyword about your work or about the wood?
About our work in our studio, I suppose. I guess multidisciplinary is a word that's used quite a lot, but it really does sum up how we work and the different, the different skills we bring as a studio in terms of people's creative approach or sometimes from a more technical perspective. That would really be, I suppose, key for us.